Happened yesterday, in case you were wondering, you were out and you missed what the radar was looking like. This is at 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and coming out of Hunt County, the Greenville area, some strong thunderstorms that went severe and went into across Kaufman and then into Dallas County. And you can see that warning box that was issued because of these thunderstorms. That's also where the heavier rain was. We had another round that came through Collin County, then through Keller and Tarrant County as well. Now, there was an outflow boundary with that, and I wanted to show you that real briefly, because that's kind of what we'll deal with again today, is that these outflow boundaries will produce thunderstorms in their own right, and we'll start getting this chaos as we get into the afternoon heating, where thunderstorms just start popping up over the wide general area. But that's where the heavier rain was through the event in the afternoon and early evening across Dallas County. They actually had a flood advisory out there briefly. So rainfall amounts in Lancaster, about almost an inch of rain. Keller, about half an inch of rain. It was spotty, as you would expect. In the summertime, you have these thunderstorms hit and miss. This is time-lapse this morning, and you can see a little bit of cloud cover here over Dallas and the Fort Worth area as well, but we expect the clouds to clear away as we get later into the morning. We're in the low 70s as we start this morning, so it's peaceful out there. Get out and enjoy it if you can. Low 70s, always a nice temperature in the summer to start the day. You can see there's the last of the rain. Yeah, it held together through the overnight hours, but it has left our area and is now down to the south and will continue to be in the hill country. But what triggered this, besides the daytime heating, yesterday was the hottest day we'd had so far this year. Got up to 98 degrees at DFW. But this low pressure system, the upper levels of the atmosphere, is really going to again fire up a round of thunderstorms. We already see this little disturbance coming over from Mississippi towards us. So as we get into the afternoon hours, you're going to see not a lot of activity show up on Future Sky Forecast. We think it's underplaying it just a little bit, but these thunderstorms will be widespread, most of it along I-20 and down to the south. It'll die out in the overnight hours. There'll be just a few passing showers. We'll keep rain in the forecast of the overnight, but tomorrow's kind of a rinse and repeat. We'll go through the same action tomorrow as well, still in the influence of this weather pattern. We'll have pop-up thunderstorms again showing up, and temperatures again kind of held in check because of it. So these rain chances along I-20 and to the south, that's where the better rain chances and thunderstorm chances are today. And these storms could produce some strong winds. We're not expecting necessarily severe weather, but where the clouds and rain are, you can see over in Athens, Corsicana, we're talking about mid-80s, meanwhile 90-degree weather out in Graham and Breckenridge. These rain chances as we start July, not really going away. We've got a 20% Monday, Tuesday, a 30% chance Wednesday. And as we get to the 4th of July, what do you know? That looks like right now, at least, the best chance of rain that we have in the week ahead. So July starts tomorrow, and these temperatures, again, not so bad. I mean, despite the really hot day yesterday, we're going to probably stay in the 80s today, and then low 90s all the way into the 4th of July as those rain chances pick up on the 4th itself. And then going into the weekend, you see some really hot conditions. But as you're planning your 4th of July festivities on Thursday, those rain chances are really in the afternoon, early evening, and hopefully as we get into nighttime, we're expecting the thunderstorm activity to die down. Madison?